All right, so a few months ago, I rendered a 3D file of a triple turbo kit for the truck, and we're gearing up towards that. We got a welder, we got an argon bottle, and today we are going to goof around with the argon bottle, see if we can set the flow meter. So I work in natural gas, so I have a very healthy respect of pressure. We don't work with anything nearly as high as this. About the highest I've worked with is 1,500 pounds. But that was a vessel where there was a lot of volume. This is 80 cubic feet bottle. So still enough to kill you if you're close to it or blow your hand off if the top blows off. So I have a pretty healthy respect of it. So we're going to cautiously approach this thing and see if we can figure out how to set the flow rate. So we're gonna try this again. It's not normal. Can't be normal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to relieve some pressure and then crack this. Yeah, I don't feel like that's I don't feel like that's supposed to do that. Anyway, probably should call Airgas. So what I'm assuming is most valves work similar. You have a plug and seat assembly, and there's probably going to be pretty heavy duty O-rings in here, some type of maybe Delrin O-ring, something like that. And it's going to seal off the gas that comes up around this shaft, and when you open this, it allows the pressure to come over on this side and go up through that stem. And I'm assuming that's what's happening. That is, to me, pretty scary because, I mean, there's a lot of pressure in here. We have an emotional dog. Hey, come here. You want to stand up here? She hears other dogs barking and it makes her nervous. So anyway, I called Airgas, and we're gonna swap the bottle out, and hopefully that one will work with me. So anyway, this is Mia. This is our rescue. She's emotional, barks all the time, very protective of our little foster child, and very playful.